electrical engineering field, which is what I'm going to college for. I'm kind of interested in IC design as well as signal processing, that kind of sort of thing. A lot of different hardware application stuff.
So wait, what is IC design? I don't even know what that is.
IC design is they're integrated circuits. They're little black chips that you see on circuit boards that get soldered down and do specific stuff. I worked an internship before this one where I was in charge of picking and ordering those ICs for a circuit I was designing, and they had all these kinds of like neat ICs that did real specific applications, but they were so helpful. It was just one chip that did everything. When if I was going to do it with separate chips, it would have been like a whole board just to that one circuit. It was amazing. So I think it's pretty cool to do that, and I wouldn't mind trying my hand at it.
How do you think being in this position has benefited you so far?
It's definitely boosted my confidence a lot. I would say I feel more confident as an engineer right now, as well as with my application stuff. With like I feel like I know how to use what I've learned to make changes and make things better for people, and that's a really good feeling. And it's also helped me a lot in like social situations, you know, like just interacting in the workplace and like getting used to like seeing and talking to different people and that kind of thing.
Oh, okay. Tell us what are some of your favorite moments or memories at PTTI?
Oh man. Well, Miss Brown, who's over there, she at the beginning of every cohort, she always does a little like introductory welcome to the school PowerPoint, and there's this one slide that she puts in there where she says if I hear your phone ring in the middle of class, you're gonna have to sing an entire Cardi B song start to finish, including the hook.
Have you ever seen them?
She always says they have to, but they never do. You have to make sure at least one person does it before I leave.
I will definitely have to. The bad part is I can't do it. So.
What is the most fruitful thing to you about teaching at PTTI?
Fruitful?
Fruitful, yeah, like just beneficial, or what is the greatest benefit that you've had from teaching here at PTTI?
I would say it's really fulfilling. I feel like I'm kind of giving back in a way. You know what I mean? Like I've grown up with a wealth of privileges that have allowed me to excel in the STEM fields, and I feel like I'm sort of like distributing that to other people that may not have had those opportunities growing up, and now are trying to regain that.
That's dope.
Through going.